Toilet paper begins with cellulose fibers sourced from sustainably managed forests grown specifically for modern paper production. Forestry specialists identify mature trees to maintain sustainable harvesting cycles and consistent fiber quality for pulp production. Industrial harvesters cut and process pulpwood efficiently, providing the cellulose fibers needed for modern toilet paper production. Freshly harvested logs are carefully loaded onto heavy transport trucks, preparing them for shipment to the tissue paper factory. Loaded with harvested logs, trucks transport the raw timber to the tissue paper factory.
Upon arrival, harvested logs enter the factory log yard. Industrial cranes unload logs from trucks, organizing them efficiently in the factory yard for the pulping process.
Logs are fed into the mill via industrial conveyors, beginning their transformation into pulp for tissue paper production. Logs pass through rotating debarking drums, removing bark and preparing the wood for chipping and pulping. Clean, debarked logs are transported along conveyor systems, moving smoothly toward the wood chipping stage for pulp preparation.
Debarked logs are precisely cut into smaller sections, preparing them for the industrial wood chipping process. Cut log sections are shredded in high-speed industrial chippers, producing uniform wood chips for pulp processing.
Uniform wood chips are collected in massive storage silos, ready for washing and preparation for the pulping process. Vibrating screens separate oversized wood pieces from uniform chips, ensuring consistent size for the pulping process. Clean, uniform wood chips are transported along conveyors toward the pulping units, ready for chemical processing into pulp. Uniform wood chips are fed into massive digesters, beginning the chemical process that breaks down fibers into pulp. The internal structure of the wood breaks down, releasing cellulose fibers and forming a thick slurry ready for washing and refining. Hot pulp slurry is discharged from digesters into holding tanks, maintaining heat and consistency for the next purification stages. Raw brown pulp flows through insulated pipelines, moving steadily toward washing and purification stages. Rotary drum washers remove chemical residues from the pulp, ensuring fibers are clean and ready for further purification. The pulp passes through multiple washing stages, removing impurities and ensuring fibers are thoroughly purified. Clean pulp suspension flows through large tanks, maintaining uniform consistency for the next stages of tissue production. Thick pulp is collected in towering holding units, where mechanical mixers maintain uniform consistency for tissue production. Mechanical pumps transfer the thick pulp to the bleaching system, preparing fibers for whitening and refinement. Pulp enters bleaching towers, where controlled chemical treatments gradually whiten cellulose fibers for tissue production. Chemical reactions within the towers remove residual lignin, transforming the brown pulp into bright white cellulose fibers. The pulp passes through multiple bleaching stages, progressively refining fibers to achieve a bright, uniform white. After final bleaching, the pulp forms a thick, ultra-white slurry, fully purified. The purified pulp is stored in tanks, maintaining consistent fiber quality and temperature before tissue production begins. Purified pulp is pumped toward the tissue machine, where fibers will soon be formed into thin, continuous paper sheets. The pulp is diluted with water to create the perfect fiber suspension required for forming extremely thin tissue sheets. The headbox spreads the fiber suspension evenly across a fast-moving wire, where water drains and fibers begin forming a delicate sheet. Powerful vacuum systems remove most of the water, leaving a fragile network of cellulose fibers on the forming fabric.
As water drains away, the cellulose fibers begin bonding together to form the first delicate tissue sheet.
The fragile tissue web now travels continuously along the machine line as excess moisture continues to drain. The fragile sheet is carefully transferred into the press section, where additional water will be removed.
As pressure removes water, the cellulose fibers bond tightly together, giving the tissue sheet its strength. Precision control systems ensure the tissue sheet maintains consistent thickness across the entire production width.
The pressed tissue sheet now travels toward the drying stage, where heat will remove the remaining moisture. The high-speed tissue machine transports the damp sheet rapidly toward the final drying stage. A massive steam-heated Yankee dryer cylinder provides the intense heat required to remove remaining moisture from the tissue. High heat from the cylinder causes rapid evaporation, removing most of the water from the delicate tissue sheet. As the heat completes its work, the fibers interlock, transforming the sheet into soft, fully dried tissue. A doctor blade gently separates the dried tissue from the hot cylinder, preparing it for further processing.
The crepping blade gently wrinkles the sheet, creating tiny folds that give the tissue its signature softness and stretch. Thousands of microfolds form in the fibers, enhancing the tissue's softness and absorbency.
The soft, creeped tissue sheet travels steadily along the production line, maintaining its delicate structure and texture.
Steel embossing rollers imprint precise patterns onto the tissue, enhancing softness, texture, and absorbency.
The soft tissue is wound onto massive master reels, forming large uniform rolls for further processing. The large embossed tissue logs are carefully transferred to converting machines for further processing into consumer rolls. Rotating cardboard cores collect the tissue layers, forming tightly wound rolls with consistent structure. Continuous winding forms long, uniform tissue logs before they move to the next precision processing stage.
Automated tension systems keep the tissue perfectly aligned, ensuring every roll maintains uniform density and structure. The continuous tissue logs move toward the perforation system, where precise sheet divisions will be created. The rolls move in precise alignment along the conveyors, ensuring smooth flow to the packaging stage.
Automated machines wrap the toilet paper rolls into hygienic multi-roll packs with precise speed and alignment. Plastic-sealed multi-roll bundles are formed, keeping the rolls hygienic and ready for distribution. Robotic arms stack the packaged bundles neatly onto pallets, ensuring stability for transport. Each roll undergoes rigorous laboratory testing to ensure optimal softness, strength, and absorbency.
Finished toilet paper pallets are carefully stacked and organized, ready for distribution to markets worldwide. Forklifts carefully lift and transport stacked pallets, maintaining perfect alignment for safe distribution.
Pallets are carefully loaded into delivery trucks, ensuring safe transport for distribution.
Fully loaded trucks depart the warehouse, delivering toilet paper pallets to markets around the world.